In the video we will cover what are top 20 AWS services, their usage with examples. 1. Amazon EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud. Amazon EC2 is a web service that provides scalable virtual servers in the cloud to run applications. It enables users to configure CPU, memory, storage, and networking capacity for their workloads. On EC2 you can run websites, enterprise applications, or batch processing tasks. Amazon EC2 flexibility makes it ideal for handling variable workloads or running environments like development, testing, and production. EC2 also supports auto-scaling to match demand ups and downs, and it offers different pricing models like on-demand plan, reserved, spot plan to optimize costs. Example: imagine you are building a website. Ours EC2 lets you set up a virtual machine to host the website. If traffic increases during a sale, EC2 can scale up automatically to handle it. 2. Amazon S3, Simple Storage Service. Amazon S3 is a scalable, secure object storage service for storing and retrieving data from anywhere. Amazon S3 offers highly scalable, secure, and durable object storage. S3 used to store and retrieve data, such as images, videos, backups, and logs. S3 supports unlimited data storage and it is accessible globally. S3 key features include versioning, lifecycle policies, and cross-region replication. It's ideal for web hosting, big data analytics, and archiving, providing 99.999999999% durability and easy integration with other AWS services. Example: a photo sharing app can store user-uploaded images in S3. It provides scalability for millions of photos and ensures they are always accessible. 3. Amazon RDS, Relational Database Service. Amazon RDS is a managed database service from Amazon Web Services, AWS, that helps you set up, operate, and scale relational databases in the AWS cloud. Amazon RDS simplifies database management by automating administrative tasks like backups, patching, and scaling. It supports popular databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, Oracle, and SQL Server. This service is ideal for applications requiring structured data storage, such as ERP systems, websites, and financial applications. It enables developers to focus on data usage rather than maintenance. Example: a blogging platform can use RDS to store user profiles and blog content. AWS handles backups and updates, so you can focus on the platform's features. 4. AWS Lambda. AWS Lambda is an event-driven, serverless function as a service, FaaS. Lambda is a compute service that you can use to build applications without provisioning or managing servers. AWS Lambda lets you run code without provisioning servers, often called serverless computing. You upload your function, and Lambda automatically scales it in response to events. Common use cases include processing S3 uploads, responding to API calls, or automating tasks. Its pay-as-you-go pricing ensures you are billed only for the compute time used, making it highly cost-effective. Example: if a user uploads a file to S3, Lambda can automatically process the file size and image, and store the output. 5. Amazon Dynamode. Amazon Dynamode is a serverless, NoSQL database service that allows you to develop modern applications at any scale. Dynamode designed for high throughput and low latency. It's ideal for applications needing fast, consistent performance, such as gaming, IoT, or mobile apps. Dynamode automatically scales to handle millions of requests per second and includes features like encryption, backup, and multi-region replication. Example: a gaming app can store user scores in Dynamode to handle millions of requests per second without delays. 6. Amazon CloudFront. Amazon CloudFront is a content delivery network (CDN) service that accelerates the delivery of websites, apps, and media. It uses edge locations worldwide to cache content, reducing latency and ensuring better performance for users. Features like DDoS protection and integration with AWS Shield make it secure and reliable for applications needing global content distribution. Example: a video streaming service can use CloudFront to cache videos at locations closer to users, reducing buffering times. 7. Housing, Identity and Access Management. AWS Identity and Access Management, Inc. is a free web service that helps us to control access to AWS services. Housing enables secure access control for AWS resources. It lets administrators manage permissions by creating policies for users, groups, and roles. It ensures that resources are accessible only to authorized users, supporting features like multi-factor authentication (MFA). ING is foundational for maintaining security across AWS accounts. Example: a company can create ING users for developers and restrict permissions, ensuring they can only access resources needed for their roles. 8. Amazon VPC, Virtual Private Cloud. Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, VPC, is a service that lets you launch AWS resources in a logically isolated and secure virtual network that you define. You can configure IP address ranges, subnets, and route tables for better control. It's often used to run web applications securely, connect on-premises networks to AWS, or create private backends for cloud services. Usage: isolating resources in a private network. Example: a bank can use VPC to ensure customer data stays secure and is only accessible to authorized applications. 9. Amazon ECS, Elastic Container Service. Amazon ECS is a fully managed container orchestration service supporting Docker containers. It simplifies running and scaling containerized applications. ECS integrates with AWS Fargate, removing the need to manage servers, that makes it ideal for deploying microservices or batch jobs. Usage: running containerized applications. Example: a company using Docker can deploy its microservices architecture on ECS, simplifying scaling and management. 10. Amazon EKS, Elastic Kubernetes Service. Amazon EKS is a managed service that allows users to run Kubernetes on Amazon Web Services, AWS, and on-premises. Amazon EKS manages Kubernetes clusters on AWS, reducing operational overhead. It helps developers deploy, manage, and scale containerized applications using Kubernetes. EKS ensures security, scalability, and integration with AWS services, making it suitable for running containerized workloads in production. Example: a SaaS company can use EKS to deploy and scale its applications while benefiting from Kubernetes orchestration features. 11. Amazon SNS, Simple Notification Service. Amazon SNS is a messaging service for sending notifications to multiple subscribers via email, SMS, or push notifications. It's widely used for event-driven architectures, alert systems, and real-time updates, enabling developers to decouple applications. Example: an e-commerce site can use SNS to send order confirmation messages to users via email or SMS. 12. Amazon SQS, Simple Queue Service. Amazon SQS is a message queuing service that enables decoupling of application components. It supports asynchronous processing of tasks, ensuring reliability and scalability. Common use cases include order processing, job scheduling, and background task execution. Example: an order processing system can queue customer orders in SQS, ensuring they are processed one at a time without delays. 13. AWS CloudFormation. AWS CloudFormation is an infrastructure as code (IaaC) service that allows you to easily model, provision, and manage AWS and third-party resources. It automates resource provisioning using infrastructure as code (IaaC). Developers define templates for creating and managing AWS resources like EC2 instances or S3 buckets. It ensures consistency, reduces errors, and simplifies infrastructure management. Usage: automating infrastructure deployment. Example: a developer can define all resources, like A2, S3, and RDS, in a template, and CloudFormation sets them up in minutes. 14. Amazon Redshift. Amazon Redshift is a fully managed data warehousing service optimized for analytics. It's used to analyze large datasets, enabling businesses to generate insights using SQL-based queries. Common use cases include business intelligence, big data analysis, and reporting. Usage: analyzing large datasets. Example: A retail chain can use Redshift to analyze sales data across thousands of stores to identify trends and improve inventory. 15. AWS CloudWatch. Amazon CloudWatch is a service that monitors applications, responds to performance changes, optimizes resource use, and provides insights into operational health. AWS CloudWatch monitors AWS resources and applications in real time. It collects metrics, logs, and events, helping identify and resolve performance issues. CloudWatch is essential for operational visibility, alarms, and automated responses. Usage: monitoring and managing AWS resources. Example: a web application can use CloudWatch to track CPU usage of its EC2 instances and trigger alarms if usage exceeds thresholds. 16. AWS Glue. AWS Glue is a serverless data integration service that simplifies preparing and loading data for analytics. It automates data discovery, ETL, extract, transform, load, and schema generation, making it ideal for data lake and analytics workflows. Usage: preparing data for analytics. Example: a company can use Glue to clean raw sales data and prepare it for analysis in a data warehouse like Redshift. 17. Amazon Elastic Beanstalk. Elastic Beanstalk is a platform as a service (PaaS) for deploying and managing web applications. Developers upload code, and Elastic Beanstalk handles scaling, load balancing, and monitoring, simplifying deployment workflows for languages like Java, Python, and Node.js. Usage: simplifying application deployment. Example: a developer can upload their code for a website, and Elastic Beanstalk will automatically handle scaling, load balancing, and monitoring. 18. AWS Step Functions. AWS Step Functions is a visual workflow service that helps developers orchestrate AWS services and endpoints into applications. AWS Step Functions orchestrates workflows by coordinating AWS services and custom applications. It provides a visual editor for creating workflows, ensuring reliability and easy debugging. Commonly used for microservices orchestration and automated business processes. Usage: automating workflows. Example: in an e-commerce platform, step functions can manage a workflow to process orders, validate payment, update inventory, and notify shipping. 19. AWS Kinesis. AWS Kinesis processes and analyzes real-time streaming data. It's commonly used for tracking activity logs, monitoring IoT devices, or streaming video. Kinesis enables scalable, real-time data processing for applications needing immediate insights. Usage: processing real-time data streams. Example: a stock trading platform can use Kinesis to process and analyze live market data to make real-time decisions. 20. Amazon Aurora. Amazon Aurora is a high-performance relational database compatible with MySQL and PostgreSQL. It provides the reliability and security of commercial databases at a lower cost. Aurora is ideal for enterprise applications requiring high availability and scalability. Usage: high-performance relational database for enterprise applications. Example: a financial application requiring high availability and fast response times can use Aurora for secure and scalable data management.